Hi students, today we will learn about the formulating of research question, research objective and hypothesis. Goals and objectives. Goals is not equal to objectives. A research objective is clear, concise, declarative statement which provides direction to investigate the study variables. Characteristics of research objectives is a concrete statement describing what the research is trying to achieve. Goals. A statement that describes in broad terms what the learner will do. For example, students will gain an appreciation and understanding of the value of applying family system theory to the real world of patient care. Research objectives definition a statement in specific and measurable terms that describe what the learner will know or be able to do. For example, to evaluate the impact of mobile phone addiction on academic performance and the stress level among medical students. Analyzing correlation between the mobile phone addiction habits and graduates or well-being. What is an aim and objective? The aims are statements of intent. They are usually written in broad terms. They set out what you hope to achieve at the end of the project. Objectives, on the other hand, should be specific statements that define measurable outcomes. What steps will be taken to achieve the desired outcome? In research objective, we have some characteristics. Our research objective will be smart when we use these all properties in a research objective: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, specific. The objective should be clear and focused. Example, to assess the prevalence of smoking among first year medical students at XYZ University. Measurable. The objective should allow for quantifiable outcome. This means you should be able to collect data and analyze it to determine whether the objective has been met. For example, the quantify the percentage of medical students who smoke using a survey instrument. Example of achievable. Achievable. The objective should be realistic and attainable given the resources, time, and constraints of the study. It should challenge you but still be possible to achieve. For example, to conduct a survey among 200 medical students within one semester. Relevant. The objective should be significant and aligned with broader research goals or societal needs. It should be addresses an important issue in the field of study. For example, to explore the factors influencing smoking behavior among medical students, contributing to public health strategies. Time bound. The objective should have a clear timeline for completion, setting deadlines, help keep the research on track and ensure timely result. To complete the data collection, for example, and analysis within 6 months from the start of the study. Examples of research objectives. Here we consider a research article published in American Journal of Nursing. The title of the study is Effect of an Educational Program on Improving Quality of Nursing Care Patients with Thalassemia Major as regards blood transfusion. The first research objective is to assess the nurse knowledge and practice regarding thalassemia major and blood transfusion. And the second objective to planning, designing and implementing an educational program regarding thalassemia major and blood transfusion. To evaluating the effect of the education program regarding thalassemia major and blood transfusion on improving quality of nursing care.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.